Hey guys, I just made a video called Testing Slimes, but like this is part 2 because I had another one which had to set for 30 minutes. My camera died, so I had to pop it on charge, and then, but this is like the results. It looks like bogies. But I haven't touched it with my hands yet. But with the knife, it seems pretty, you know. Ugh. Oh no. This is not slime. Okay, so if I pour this into my hand for you, I will show you the texture. Like, this is just, no. How can it be so good when you're not touching it? But literally, I will even put it on my hand and show you. Look, it looks like slime. It looks like it's a nice stretchy slime, but no. It's just sticky and hard. Just no. That is not slime. So the last two are poops, and the first one is a whoop. No maybe babies. Well, this is a maybe baby. Maybe if you let it set for a bit. But like, not for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little end of the video and that video. So yeah, bye. Ugh, this is so disgusting.